Hey guys, welcome. Today I tried to vlog Krishna Jayanthi. I hope it came out well. I'll try to compile it as soon as possible and upload it by tonight or next day morning. And I dressed up my kids. They were little cute. See? One Kuti Krishna. Vishal. And one more is coming. This Krishna is all messed up. See, he removed his bindi and everything.
Mine's better.
Yeah. And he said his neck piece is itching, so he removed it as soon as we took some photos. I have a DIY on how I did this flute. See that it's just simple and zero waste. I made Side and Murukku the previous night, so I'll have some time. I'll just have to make some sweet. I'll start in the evening making that. I woke up and cleaned most of the house except there is some vessels in the sink. I have to make lunch and then I will continue cleaning it and finish it off. In the evening I will start making the sweet. Now for a long time I didn't have any flute for them. I'm doing this puja for nearly like from when Vijay was like 2 years. I never had the thought that I should have a flute. This time, okay, I should really have one, and I thought I'll make. This stick is nothing but like that incense stick we'll get from Indian store, right? Inside there will be a cardboard. It's that. I saved two, and I'm coloring it. I just gave 2 coats of color, but still it's a very soft wood and it became little soft, so I just gave only 2 coats. And after that after it dried, I drew some holes. Now I am making tassel just to give some pretty look at the end of the flute. I made tassel, I attached it to the end. I drew some holes for the flute and covered with with some washi tapes. I didn't buy anything, I did with whatever I had, so it's a zero waste DIY. I love the way it came.
Try.
ஹோல்ஸ் ப்ராப்பராக வையே, வாய்க்குள்ளே வச்சு தின்றாத. வையே நான் அம்மா ஆக்ஷன் பண்ணி காமிச்சேன்ல அது மாதிரி வையே. இங்கே ஒரு கை, இப்படி ஒரு கை, அப்படி ஒரு கை. Hey, you like it?
This one is for Anna.
Okay.
That one is for me.
Okay. I made aval payasam just to give some more flavor. I added some mango pulp and it came out very nice. Everyone loved it. Now the plate is ready for offering and that one is for butter. No butter without Krishna Jayanthi. It's impossible. After a while, around 4 o'clock, it started raining like hell. It was like so much heavy rain and I really didn't think how I'm going to put rangoli outside. Even if I try, it will wash away. So I waited for some time. See, now it's around 5:30. My kids are ready. I dressed them up and gave them flute. Usually I'll do just simple dress up, not much deal. They already have that pants, a ready-made one, and I gave them that and dressed them. In the hip I tied some silk dupatta what I had, and this is my simple puja setup. I did everything very simple, but I should not miss anything, right? So I tried. And I'll show you, I kept legs. Every time I asked them to walk, this time it was not like proper feet impression. It was like Krishna was running around the home. It was the footsteps were like that. And finally I made rangoli, simple one, that's it, because anyway I thought it might rain, so I just did simple one. And I'm wondering, it's like Krishna is running around my home, it's not like walking like a baby. That's me. Oh, sorry. And my kids. See, whenever I take pictures, they exactly keep like that and pose perfectly. I hope you like this video. See you all in the next one. Thank you for joining me with the puja. Take care. Bye bye.